Yeah, I saw him this morning before I am medical.
Okay. I kilo jadi morning glory mos. Okay, give me his name before I go far.
Tabiso.
Tabiso.
Yes.
Okay. There's one here. There is another one here who lost 1,000 rand. He says he's your boyfriend.
What?
He
Who's
was
that?
he was betting on you.
Baby.
Wamba phone.
Baby.
Hello?
Yeah, yimini Ndumiso manje hawu ubani uThabiso manje?
7 years, bra. You are a side nigga.
Ya mfethu ungasho kanjalo mfethu amancane.
Come on. What's going on here?
Hayi baby kahle yini iprank le or kanjani hawu sina 1 year musisonke and then 7 years kanjani manje ihlangana phi lonto leyo?
Sorry. Oh, what's going on? Ngenzakalani Nkosi yami?
Babe, what do you mean wenzakalani? Angithi mina nawe sisonke siyathandana kanti unomntana futhi?
Yeah, I do have one.
Yo.
Okay, this thing is simple. You were a side nigga the whole time. Maybe she was using you as a
ngibe
side.
side nigga. No, babe lalela
But
babe.
it's 7 years. You can't compete with 7 years on 1 year. You are a side nigga. Just accept.
Mamela ubaba umntana like ubaba umntana beninonke naye or mhlambe
Uthi bahlala together ngithi.
Mfethu kahle mfethu.
Sihlala together.
Yo.
So he was a side nigga, ne?
So mamela
Yeah,
babe.
he is a side nigga.
Ah fuck. Baby, so manje mina ngiyekela umuntu wami engimthandayo for wena and then you promise me ukuthi kumele senze mfethu. Hayi.
Ngiyekela umuntu wakho?
Wenza yeah.
Because of her.
Obvious mfethu.
And she agreed.
She agreed mfethu. Wena uyangixaka mekhuluma ngendaba zabo 7 years.